everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel I do unboxings of all sorts, so if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button. I would love for you to join me. And of course, to all my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, guys, I have my EARFLEEK for the month of, what month are we in? We're in February, for the month of February, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got. But before I do, for those of you who don't know what EARFLEEK is a monthly jewelry subscription service. It's only $3.49. Of course, it's costume jewelry, and that includes shipping. So you pay $3.49 to get a pair of earrings sent to your house every month. And they have a little game on their website that it's called swipe left or swipe right. So you swipe on the ones you like, and then that way you're pretty much guaranteed out of their inventory, the ones you liked, you're going to get one pair of those. You don't know which ones you're going to get, but you will get one pair of those. And let me hold this up. I already opened my EARFLEEK for this month, and I put it on here, so hopefully you guys could see it good, because I didn't think it would show up very nice against my dark hair. But these are like little triangle pieces with like fringe going down, and they're black, and I remember liking these, so I definitely am going to get a lot of use out of these. But the interesting thing about these earrings are they're not fabric like you think, fringe looking. These are actually little metal pieces, but they're very super lightweight, and I truly appreciate that, because as I got older, my earlobes have definitely got bigger. Yeah, on my first earlobe, or my first piercing right here, I cannot wear anything heavy, or it will just pull, like, I feel like there's hardly nothing left. So I have to go very lightweight in my first hole. I don't know, have a lot of you experienced that? Is it a thing just from getting older, or is it just from wearing heavy earrings through the years? I don't know, but all I know is it is not a good look if you put too heavy earrings in that first hole. Okay, so the other thing I wanted to share with you guys is I was looking for some flowery earrings and a necklace set to wear, and I come across this one set for a really good price. It's only $10.98, and I found it on Amazon. Now, yes, it is costume jewelry, but you get a necklace and 2 pair of earrings, and I think this is so cute. This is exactly what I was looking for. I was looking for this set, and these are actually pressed flowers, and how beautiful is that? And they have matching earrings that go with it, and $10.98. I mean, that is a great price. And if you're looking for a turquoise color, they're more green blue. They're calling it turquoise. They also have that too. So they have the red and the turquoise. So I will leave the link to this in the description box down below too, in case any of you guys are wanting to check that out. And as a side note, we just had February. We just had Valentine's Day, and I thought I'd share my little Valentine's gift from my hubby. And we never get anything for Valentine's Day. We have known each other since 1992, which this year is what, 29 years if I'm doing the math right. And we've never celebrated Valentine's Day. We just kind of never bothered with it. I always told him, I'm like, I would prefer you to just get me a gift in the middle of the year for no reason, because you love me, and not because it's Valentine's Day. But for some reason, he went out of his way this Valentine's Day and bought me a necklace. So, a little off, but I appreciate it, and I like it, and I think it's very pretty. Okay, so I thought I would share some fun facts with you guys. Since today is jewelry, I thought I'd give you some earrings fun facts. And it says, here's what I found out. Did you know that you can wear earrings in 9 parts of your ear? And it says the most common area to have the piercing in the ear is, of course, the lobe. We all have that. I have 2. How many piercings do you guys have? Just curious, since we're talking about this. But did you know that you can have piercing in 9 other areas of your ear? And it's called the helix cartilage, the industrial, the rook, the daith, and if I'm pronouncing these guys wrong, please forgive me. I'm not an expert. I'm just sharing with what I found. The targus, the snug, the conch, the anti-targus, and of course the lobe, which we've talked about. And I was looking at this lady's ears, and that looks so pretty, but boy, I could never get that many piercings. I don't think I'm that brave. But I was looking at the one she has right here in this part. I don't know what that part's called because it doesn't give me what this is. They just give me the names. And I thought that was really pretty. And then I always like the one that's like right there on the inside. It looks like she has some kind of like a hoop or something right here. So I think that is really pretty. Or also, I always wanted an earring right here. So if I ever get, well, I'm probably gonna do this one. Maybe this summer or when things get back to normal, I would love to get this top part of my ear done. I don't know what that's called. But if I was ever super, super brave, I would get this pierced right here. But that is so thick, guys. Ooh, I'm a scaredy cat. Hey, I tell you guys what, if I ever decide to do this, and if I can record it, and I will record it for you guys, that would be fun. I mean, I think that would be a fun video to watch me squirm and cry, because I really think that would hurt. I don't know. So have you guys, how many piercings do you have, and has anyone who's watching ever got that part right there pierced? And is it as bad as I think it's going to be? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed today's fun little video, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.